In this tutorial, I want to go over a specific example where TypeScript is lenient. And it's lenient by design because JavaScript is fundamentally lenient, and there's some features of the language where it needs to be flexible with types. So I'm going to define a function, pass in foobar, and it takes a callback. All it does is invokes that callback with foobar. So I'm going to call pass in foobar with a function that takes parameter foobar. And all I'm going to do is console log foobar. See, the callback gets invoked with foobar and it gets logged. In JavaScript, I can also pass in a function that takes no parameters. And that still works. That's because we don't need to give you can really pass in anything here, and because JavaScript has no types, it knows that even though it is pass in foobar is invoking callback with foobar, it's just as if this function without any parameters just doesn't use it. And you might imagine that this might be an issue in TypeScript because you might type this as a function that return. You might type this callback as a function that takes a string and returns void. I'll go over that right now, actually. So of course I need to give this a type. So I'm going to type callback as a function that takes a string and returns void. Now I'm going to call passing foobar with something like this. That's exactly what we had initially. And that all works. Let's try getting rid of this parameter. So you see, even though this does not match this function signature, it still works. We don't see any errors. And that's by design, because TypeScript needs to be flexible enough to support this kind of common pattern JavaScript. So this is an example where TypeScript is not as strongly typed as it can be, and it doesn't strive to be the perfectly typed language, because a perfectly typed language would not resemble JavaScript, and that's one of the primary goals of TypeScript.